68 years of non-stop hiccups, imagine that. Starting in 1922, Charles Osborne found himself in a hiccuping marathon that didn't end until 1990. That's over 430 million hiccups, each one a reminder of a condition doctors couldn't fully explain. From his farm in Iowa, Osborne lived a life punctuated by constant hiccups, yet he managed to marry twice and raise a family, proving resilience against what seemed like an insurmountable oddity. His hiccups started after a fall, and no remedy could provide relief, making his story a fascinating medical mystery. Despite the challenge, Osborne's life was a testament to adaptability and human spirit, transforming a bizarre affliction into an extraordinary tale of perseverance.